I'm Toby and this is Sea Life. Hey, Daniel's trying this bag and he's saying it's a little hard to get it to come out at first. So he's rolling up the end. We're going to see if that works any better. Nope, not yet. We may have to cut the tip a little larger. No? Oh, there it comes. It's a little bit at a time. So he's trying his hand at this idea. It's just not coming the way he thinks it should. Maybe we'll have to mix it a little thinner or something. Cut the tip off of it a little bit, but now he's got it going. And it's working pretty nice now. We'll show you how much he had to cut off here in a little bit when he gets ready to fill again. Kind of beat it up, and then he's going to come back and smooth it out with a different trowel. And he's just learning how to use this grouting bag, which she did have to cut a little bit off of. Not much, she said, just a little bit. About an acre of cutting, she says. So, had to be trimmed off of the bag, and then it worked much better. And it's working very nicely now. He's learning how to get just the right amount in there to come back and smooth over. And that's making really nice, almost like a caulk line. And it's not near as sloppy as just using a trowel. He's filled in the little cracks with the grout, and now he's just going back over wiping the excess off of the tiles. He did get a little excess on the tiles when he went over it with the trowel. So he's just wiping that off. And it's looking great. Sponge and a little bucket of water over here, and he's just cleaning it up really nice. Important, like we said before, it's important to get that excess grout off just as quickly as you can so it doesn't dry on your tile and make it real hard to get it back off.
I was going to save this video until I had the whole wall completed on grouting, but I had some requests to show us how to grout. So this is a method that I have done, or that I just tried. So the bag I've never done before, but I thought it'd be interesting to try it, and it did save on some of the mess. I actually used less grout by doing it this way. I don't think I'd do a whole floor that way. I think walls is what I would use the bag on, but the floor, I think it's just so much faster to just grout the floor and then just wipe it up. But it worked really well. I hope you enjoy this video. I know it's pretty short, but I hope you enjoy it. So I put it together today just for those people that wanted to see it. Go ahead and like and subscribe and leave comments. We really appreciate the comments. It kind of helps us to know what we need to do. And we really, really appreciate each and every one of you who view our videos. Thank you so much.